Hey, happy Monday. I was hoping that you were going to be able to sell your house over the weekend, but it looks like it's still for sale on Zillow. You know, it's been a wild ride in real estate over the last 3 years, but I've been in mortgage and real estate for over 30 years, and this is just one of those cycles that we go through. I'm sure you've heard from lots of real estate agents once you listed your property for sale on Zillow. You know, that's just the nature of this industry. But marketing your house with video is one of the ways I can help you sell your house. See, I don't think your house is a Zillow type house for sale because your target audience, the people that are wanting to buy a house like yours, they're not looking on Zillow. So they are not seeing that your house is for sale. We can tell this by the number of views and the number of saves. The other challenge that you have is showing, because buyers wanting to buy a house like yours, they're not really comfortable walking through your house with you there. I hope it all works out, but when you get ready to consider a different option, let's talk. This is the right time to sell, but for some reason your house hasn't sold yet. I'm here to help you. Give me a call, shoot me a text, send me an email. Give me the chance to show you how I can help. Thanks, and I hope you have a great week.